In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Xero account. Whether you're looking to start fresh, clean up your data, or just want to see how to navigate the resetting process, this guide will walk you through each step. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to reset your account confidently, allowing you to make the most out of your Xero experience. Let's start with the very first step, navigating to the Xero website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Xero homepage URL, or simply search for Xero in your search engine. Once you reach the Xero homepage, you'll notice various options and features available, but our focus today is on resetting your account. Next, your journey continues by moving your cursor to the top right corner of the homepage to find the Login button. This is your gateway to enter the personal realm of your Xero account. Click on this button and it will redirect you to the login page. Here's where you'll need your login credentials. Once you're on the login page, it's time to authenticate your access. In the given fields, enter your email address and password associated with your Xero account. Make sure you enter these details correctly to avoid any login issues. If by any chance you've forgotten your details, don't worry. Xero provides options to recover your account which you can use. After entering your credentials, proceed to click on the Login button. This action will grant you access to your Xero dashboard, a comprehensive overview of your financials, and various functionalities offered by Xero. However, our focus here is to navigate towards resetting our account. Now, locating the setting to reset your Xero account is your next step. On your dashboard, find the Your Organization option. This might seem a bit tricky, but remember, each step you take is bringing you closer to a fresh start. Click on the Your Organization link, which will direct you to a settings page. Once in your organization settings, you will need to locate the My Xero button. This section provides a deeper dive into the specific settings and customizations available for your account. Select My Xero to proceed to the next phase. Here comes the crucial part, resetting your account. You'll see the Reset button. A simple click on this brings you a step closer to achieving a clean slate for your Xero account. This action signifies your intent to refresh your account's data and settings. Finally, to confirm your decision and complete the process, you will need to click on the Reset Demo button. Yes, it's an additional step to ensure you are absolutely sure about resetting your account, because once you confirm, all your data will be erased and you'll start from scratch. This reset feature is designed to give users the flexibility to clean their slate and start anew with their financial tracking and management in Xero. This comprehensive walkthrough has shown you how to navigate through your Xero account to reset it successfully. Remember, resetting your account is a significant action that will clear all your existing data. It is advisable to ensure that you have backed up or no longer need the data before proceeding with this action. Resetting your Xero account can provide a fresh start or help you better understand the platform's capabilities without the clutter of past data. Whether you're practicing or rectifying past mistakes, this process ensures you have the freedom to manage your finances how you see fit. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to reset your Xero account. By following these instructions, you can confidently navigate through your Xero settings and begin anew. Remember, each step is a pathway to mastering the functionalities of Xero, making your financial management more efficient. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more useful tutorials.